I want to invite you to join Ricky and I for our second live. We're going to be doing on the 4th of July at 11 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. That will be 1 o'clock his time in the Cape. The topic of discussion is going to be harm reduction. That's absolutely my way of moving in the world, as difficult as it is in the world right now. I would like to have a discussion about the inner work of how to maintain any kind of homeostasis while sustaining the gaze at what really is the way of it in life. So I really ask you to join me from 11 to 11:30 on Instagram and 11:30 to 12 on YouTube, because I've got to get some practice in, and I'd love to meet you. I love to meet you. So please come with questions. We'll definitely open it up to questions and answers and that kind of stuff. Okay, bye.